Hello everyone. So today I will share you how to set up Playwright on your Windows laptop. For that, the prerequisite is you should have Visual Studio. If you don't have Visual Studio, then you can easily download it from Visual Studio downloads. 2022. Go to Community and here downloads and the community free download. So from here you can download the Visual Studio installer and it would look something like this. Visual Studio installer, and here if it is launched for the first time, it will look like something like this. You will see this window, installer window. In this, make sure you select the proper version, that is development window, this one, .NET Desktop Development. So this is the important thing. Remaining you can ignore. If you want Node.js and all Node.js development, then you can select this one. And remaining you will discover it once you want it. But for now, this is the important thing for development of Playwright. Okay, so I have already installed, so I'll not do that. So once you open Visual Studio, you will see empty if it is the first time. So create new project. Okay, here project type, use NUnit, and in NUnit you will see NUnit Playwright test project. Okay, select this one. Next, give any. Okay, and put it under anything. So I'll select this one. Keep solution and directory. It's okay. You can forget it. Okay. Next. So whichever is required. So .NET 8 is the long term and .NET 9 is the standard one. So select appropriately and create it. Okay. So you can see it has given you a test project to verify whether it is working or not, and it is currently downloading all the dependencies like playwright and unit and every all the packages which are required for it. It is downloading. Once it is downloaded, you will see those marks will go away. Okay, and framework. Okay, so everything, so see, playwright and everything has been downloaded and added directly. So this is as easy. But if you want to execute this test case, so specifically if you have this test and parallelization, so it will run in parallel mode. But if you go to here, I have here test explorer, but if you don't have, you can easily get from view and here test explorer. Okay, and here you can select your test case, and if you run, it will fail. Why? Because you have not yet downloaded all the Chromium versions. So for it to execute Playwright properly, we need to we need to set up we need Chromium and all those browsers, right? So if you have worked on Selenium, you might know, or you might remember that in older versions of Selenium, we had to specifically download the Chromium versions, drivers. So Chrome driver, Firefox driver, and all those drivers we had to specifically download, and we had to keep them, so that we have to specify the path for them, so that this will it the driver will pick up those and it will execute. But in Playwright, it will automatically download those things. But for that to happen, you have to download it, So if you go to Playwright official website, there you will see that it is shown as an installation part. So once you have installed, okay, it will share you that you have to run this command. This is the command which you have to run to initiate the download. And you, for that you need to have PowerShell. So if you run this command pwsh and it shows that the pwsh is not recognized, that means PowerShell is not installed. So install PowerShell. See, as expected, it failed. Okay, now we will run this command. Okay, but we will make some modification, as we don't work, because this is for someone who is not working on Visual Studio or not in the environment. So what we will do is we will just right click here. Okay, first you have to build the solution, otherwise this file will not be seen. So build the solution once, then open folder in Explorer. Okay, and here go to bin debug .NET 9. This is .NET 9 because we choose the 9 version. If you select 10 or 8, you will see those appropriately. Now here write PowerShell. So what it will do, it will open this PowerShell window for you in that particular folder path. Okay, you have to right click. I have copied from there. PWSH. Enter. So it is installed for me. As on my PC it was already been installed previously, so it didn't took much time. But if you are installing for the first time, it will take longer time than this. Okay, and let's see whether it runs or not. See, it ran, and it ran in headless mode, so you couldn't see the page is actually working, but the test result is passed, and it took exactly 6 seconds to verify everything. So yeah, this is the setup of Playwright, and you can create unlimited number of test cases and verify all these pages. And excellent work, like what Playwright provides, you can do it in this way. That's all for this video. Thank you.